are we?
I don't know either. Can you read any signs around, maybe? Where are we?
I don't know.
Read that.
I do.
Can you read that sign right there? Where are we?
Yep.
Where?
Disneyland Hotel.
What?
I knew it when I saw everybody had Mickey Mouse stuff on.
Can we just unload here? And then
When I saw the
can we get a rolling cart maybe?
What the heck?
bellman will
I
have to
saw
help
Dad
you with
video
it.
like,
Okay, thank you.
Okay, then I'll have one.
Awesome.
like, oh, Dad's videoing.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, open it up. Open up the shades. Pull them back. What do we got a view of? Whoa. That's all downtown Disney. Disneyland. There's a Grand Hotel. That's where we stayed last time over there.
Oh yeah, wait.
Look, there's the Matterhorn right there.
Oh yeah.
What do you think, boys? You excited?
Yeah. But look at that wide way over there. Way far.
Okay, just got done with Indiana Jones. What do you guys think? Corbin's first time on it. He's 7. Darren's been on it before.
Yeah, I like it.
You liked it? Was it? You said it was scary?
Some kind of.
You did get the jump at that, huh?
Like when we stopped and it was dark.
Yeah.
When it was in the dark, it was scary?
Yeah.
All right, first ride of the day.
Yeah. I haven't been on it since my high school graduation trip.
Yeah. All right, continue on.
As a career, what can be more rewarding? Trigger, show home. I humbly accept this magnificent treasure.
Okay, just got done with Pirates of the Caribbean. Was it fun? That first drop, get a little scary?
Well, I didn't even know I had drops.
You sure to grab Mom's arm quick.
Oh yeah, you were squeezing Mom's arm. Corbin barely grabbed me.
How does it take?
You had like nails dug in.
Did you get wet? A little bit? Was it cool?
Yeah.
All right, now to Thunder Mountain.
Woo!
Okay.
Roller coaster time.
Detachment to number D.
Okay, we're over in Star Wars Land. Star Wars Land. So excited. What do we go on? We went on the Rise of the Resistance ride, and that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
That one was really cool. And you got to do a queue on that one to get on it. And then we went on the Smuggler's Run. That was a long wait, and you're like flying the Millennium Falcon. So it's pretty cool. It's a virtual one, so it's all video, so you get a little nauseous, but kids liked it.
We did the queue for Rise of the Resistance right at 6:59 and 58 seconds.
Yeah.
Boarding group 94. We're on the ride right around 12:15ish. I helped some girls get in. They were able to get on boarding queue like boarding pass 117. So that was at like 12:30 probably. So you can hop on at the end of midday too.
Now we're waiting for the Olga's Cantina. Is it Olga? Whatever. I don't know, the Cantina. So we scan the QR code, and it's like a 25-minute wait. So we're just hanging out, waiting for our text. Okay guys, we're sitting here talking about the Incredicoaster Cameron and Corbin have never been on a real roller coaster, so one that goes upside down, or has big drops. They've been on the smaller ones, and Corbin is finally big enough to go, barely, to go on the credit coaster, so we're gonna go on it. Cameron's not too sure, he's kind of being scared. He's being a little chicken, but we're gonna get him to go. We're gonna do it. Woo! Just got done with the credit coaster.
I want to do it again.
He wants to do it again.
It was fun.
That was his first big roller coaster, and yours too.
Yeah.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
He was scared. He was yelling.
Dad, can I do it again with Mom?
You want to do it again with Mom? Cameron's not too sure about it. Cameron was like yelling, "I hate you guys" the whole time.
No, I wasn't.
I hate you guys. I hate you guys. I hate you guys.
Look how scared he looks.
Can I see?
Oh, wait.
Alright, let me see.